how turkey bacon reproduces. What you got there?
What you got there?
Tell Daddy what you got. He's got a camera out.
Milkshake, banana.
Banana,
Milkshake.
strawberry, blueberry, yogurt, and milk. No sweetener because it's pretty sweet. We got some turkey bacon that's reproducing. And we have eggs and blueberries. And what do you have?
Milkshake.
A milkshake, okay. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
What's in it? Yeah, what is it made of?
Strawberries.
What else?
Oh, very good.
Berries.
Blueberries.
What else?
Banana.
Good job.
And then what's the white stuff? There's 2 different white things in there.
Milkshake.
Okay, thank you.
Milk or yogurt?
Thank you, Abigail, doing a good job.
Milkshake.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you said milk, so what else?
Oh.
Yogurt or socks? Ew, socks is disgusting.
Bazinga.
Bazinga.
Ew. I don't even know what that is.
When Sheldon, young Sheldon, he learned how to be funny, so every time he tells a joke, he says, Bazinga! A practical joke. That's funny, huh?
Bazinga! 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 Bazinga!
Why are you so messy, kitty?
Bazinga!
What did he say? That's enough kitties?
That's enough kitties. Children. Okay. Oh, ouch. Now if I paint that wall over there that I patched, it might look really good. I love it. It's very good. It's like a solid wood billy, a pine instead of MDF, but it's very thin pine. But it's not going to swell up when it gets wet, which is really nice. And it has legs on it, so you can clean under it.
We love it here. We love it here. Ew! No, let go. No. Other hole. Yes, go. You're running me into the ground. Where we at? Uh-oh.
Hey! Don't come around here no more.
What bud?
Imagine you want one tall shelf.
Hadar,
Come see where you want the shelves.
may the 4th be with you.
4th.
The 4th.
Let me.
It looks so good. I want them like evenly, yeah? Probably. I think so. Just like even space, I think. So one of them I want long, like
How tall?
maybe
It's for kitty.
it's a cat toy actually. Yeah. Maybe like make the bottom one the longest.
Like here?
Where I could put like tall containers, maybe cereal or something. Yeah, on the bottom. Girl, what you doing? All right, well, that sounds good.
You know.
What do we have here?
Alright, go. Keep going.
Mommy.
Very good, Rafael. Very good. Very good. You're almost done. Yep.
Some birds of prey over there. Wow, one more.
Yes! Now, can someone get me done?
Woo! Good job.
Go run in the field.
The
Workout.
Run! Run! Faster! Come on, Abigail.
Woo! Run, squirrel.
Wanna join?
Now we'll never know.
What? No cats?
And no dogs, Abigail.
There's dogs and cats. We don't have dogs and cats here.
They're not allowing it.
Dude,
Why not?
Are you sad?
Cat and dog.
I'm sad a lot.
No cats and no dogs.
Yeah.
Cats and dogs.
If there's no bears
There's cat and dog.
no,
Cats, dogs are here.
if there was
Cats
no
and dogs are here, Mommy.
mouses allowed,
Cats and dogs
Mice?
are here.
yeah.
We're not bargaining.
Yeah? Hey.
Say the letters. E, F. Say the letters. You step on a letter and you say the name. H, I,
I,
J,
J, K, O, P, Q,
R,
S, V, U, V, W, X, Z.
Woohoo!
Woo! I jumped on the last three ones.
Who said Florida didn't have parks? This park's huge. And it is not far from our house.
Just a pedal move.
No, just you?
Wow, me.
Yeah, just you. Fun, huh? Horsey.
They're natural logs.
Yeah, they're all wood stuff.
Of course.
House. You don't get my house.
You gonna get in your house?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a playhouse.
Me.
Somebody here playing with their kids.
With my kids.
Somebody's here playing with their kids. Are you gonna go in your house?
Get in my house. So people will get my house.
Hi.
Hi. Don't get my house.
Can I film in your house?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Thank you.
Say good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
How are you?
I love Elmendis. Well, I
Well, playhouse, huh?
a bag.
Oh. We have a Florida spider.
I hate
Here,
the
let's
bug.
see.
I hate the bug.
You hate spiders. Spiders kill mosquitoes. I can't get a zoom on it. Oh my goodness. Let's see it. He's got a
Fun.
fun.
Look what I did.
But he's more challenged over there. And this is for like 12-year-olds, you know what I mean?
You think so?
Jail.
Oh yeah?
There you go. I did that one time. Yeah, I did that. My baby's doing it. Please.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, my best friend's doing it. Yeah.
Uh-oh, I think it's raining.
Hi, baby.
The shoes, baby. You're showing, baby. Wow. Daddy, mommy.
Huh.
I did that. Look what I did.
Really good.
Daddy, look what I did.
Go down the side.
My handle's not moving.
You're doing good. Keep going.
I guess I'm not. Because other ones.
You're doing really well.
Oh,
Rafael's a master already.
oh,
Abigail's into learning.
Abby is in learning to get to a master.
that wobble can make me fall off. And stab me.
Abigail, Your little brother almost stopped up here. There's no way to get down.
I can do it. I can do it. I guess I can do it.
I didn't even
Rafael.
know it down, but now I do.
This is wobbly.
Yeah, Rafael wobbling a little bit.
Raphael's wobbling me.
It's fine. I'm done with it.
I'm done with it.
Yo, you going up, Abigail?
I'm done.
No, you go up. Come on.
I'm done.
Okay, you're gonna do what Rafael doing? The master thing to do?
You do it.
Yeah, he's master of climbing.
Here on the mountain.
You got it. You got it.
Oh, yeah.
You got it, Abigail. You got it.
One hand down. Keep holding it with the other hand. One hand down.
Like pose.
One hand. Yep. Yep. There you go. There you go. Put your hips down. Open.
Look,
There we
Daddy.
go.
Do you hear the train?
Keep going.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah, you're tall.
Yes, I am taller than anything. As long as this guy's not
Oh, so many skeeters.
You caught me. I was biting my blister that I've gotten from working. Yo, you want to get off?
Rafael, you want to help her?
You can do it, Abigail. You're a big girl.
Too shaky for a zoom. What, you're white?
Something pooped under there.
You matching here, green.
Yes, I came to be hidden.
Baby, you're here.
Oh, you're okay.
Yes, I'm here to help. I'm here to help.
I'm here. I'm here to watch you. I think you can climb all the way down.
Yeah, you already came from there to there.
You can climb all the way down.
Who's a girly? Girly, girly.
Can't ya? Yeah.
You can do
And then
it.
keep
That's
going.
too slippery on that one.
Keep going. Look at Abigail. I told her she could do it, and she did it. Look. Did you tell her she could do it?
Yeah. One time.
Good job.
Yay!
I can do it too. I'm slippery.
All right, Rafael, let's go to a different park.
Different one.
Yeah, they got a bunch of little parks.
Here, Rafael, I want you to go up so we can take a picture of you.
I'll go up to where I was earlier. The highest
I'll
spot.
take a picture of you too.
Me. You have a camera.
Do you have a camera?
You have a camera.
Yeah, get up there.
You're going to take a very good picture, Abigail.
Puppies.
Yeah. I did it.
I do it.
Mine. Oh my. Take a picture.
Israel really gave you good skills at climbing, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll show you how I get down.
Like a snake.
Yes, like a snake. And guess what else you do? Take it off of here.
Jump.
Yeah!
Man, you can't touch me.
It's quick. They have a bat house. 2010.
What the hell was that? Oh my god, it was a black thing that ran across the sidewalk.
If you want to put it up here, I gotta sit.
What is it made of? Foam?
No?
Oh, solid rock? What in the world? And they painted it?
Mommy, look!
Wow!
I'm kicking around! Do you want know if I can make it onto the bridge. Is that all? Because I can make it to the bridge on those rocks. It's like someone's trying to punch me. This is the wall, dude. If I got something to hold on to, I won't fall. Because Israel got me extra climbing skills.
Hey,
Look!
ride the horse.
Look. I just...
That's a rock.
And then I hold it on to myself. On my feet weren't even holding on to that rope.
Now get up, Rafael. Get up. Get up.
I'll get up the other
Put
side.
your foot up.
Oh, this is like something for dogs to jump through.
Oh, look at mommy. She's swinging.
Yeah, learn how to swing. She already learned how to swing when she was a baby, so I was kidding. I'm the king of the climbers! Why don't you just cover your eyes and count? So I didn't see.
Last time you were swinging was in Jerusalem, I think.
Hey, can you stop me?
Sure.
Where am I at? Which
I want to do it. I want to do it.
thing am I in? An acorn or log?
Log.
Is it any acorn or are they log?
Hi! So it smells like crap out here. Yeah.
That's the well that smells.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Or the tank, the septic tank.
Yeah. So there's our septic tank. Arg.
We have the drink.
Arg. That guy that came over drank 2 bottles. 2 bottles. Body Armor Super Drink. Wow, that looks good. What else we got here? Gold Peak Green Tea. Wow, such a healthy guy. Learning how to drive in Florida. So he's gonna get a driver's license today, hopefully. Are you gonna watch Daddy take his driver's test?
Yeah.
In the car? Just for pretty dinner parties for the girl. Baby poems. I love poem